Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this is my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting 4 different types of playlist: trading topics, the features, also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the Sensibull paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic.
The another strategy I would like to explain you all. Uh, so let me switch to the trading view here. Today is 26th. Uh, it's Saturday here. Okay. So from you can see this is the Nifty 50 chart. Okay. I'm in a 15 minutes time frame. So you can observe here the strategy I'll be telling you, but before that I'll be explaining what is exactly happening in the Nifty chart. Okay, so you can observe this is 27th June, right, 2025. Nifty is making a clear channel here. Okay, if you can go here, parallel channel, I'll select. Yeah, you can see this is perfectly making a channel here, and I'll be switching to 1 hour. So 1 hour also you can see the perfect channel. Okay, it is touching here. This point it is not at uh, touched our support zone here, but definitely it will go, and maybe or may not be, it will bounce back. As per the theory, it will bounce back here. Okay, so based on this pattern, I have taken one position. I'd like to explain you. Okay, so let me switch back to the 15 minutes time frame so that it will be clear for you. Yeah, okay. See, Nifty again, there is 1 point here, 1 point here. So there is a support, very strong support here. So from here it is going up, coming down, then it is making some delay here and going up, coming down. So as per this pattern, so this is the strong support, whatever we are seeing here. This is the strong support, right? Let me change the color for your convenience. Sorry, that is not the color. Okay, so whatever you are seeing, the yellow line on the cursor, this is strong support and this is the strong resistance. Okay, either uh, give me a second. Yeah, so what exactly happening? This is one strong support, this is one strong support, sorry, this is the strong resistance. Okay, these are all this line whatever we are seeing, this is the strong resistance line and this is the support line. Okay, so initially it went up, came down, went up, came down, right? So still Nifty has not touched this point, remember, but already Nifty is bouncing at 1 hour, sorry, 15 minutes time frame here. Okay, let me switch to the 1 hour time frame. If you zoom and see it, you can see there are some candles which are bouncing back from this location only. Okay, so on the basis of this bouncing point, I have taken one option position. I'd like to show you my risk and reward here. Okay, so this is clearly, you can say it here, this is a flag and pole pattern also, you can say it here. Maybe Nifty uh, if it comes if it bounce back from here, there is a possibility of going up as well here. Okay, this is one possibility. The second possibility, what is that? If Nifty cross below this region, then there is a failure of this pattern. Okay, I will just zoom out. Yeah, yeah, you're getting right. So this is what everyone is predicting, that market still going down, but this is my analysis only. Yeah, as per this pattern it should go up, and maybe it will go up, and it may make some consolidation here, maybe breakout or breakdown can happen here as well. Yeah, so this is what market, anything can happen in the market. We can't predict 100%, but based on some previous data or historical data, based on some patterns, we can judge it. That's all. That's all. Okay. So this is what my position. Okay. Based on this bouncing back, I am predicting that I'm little bullish about this point, because it is already bouncing back from here. Whatever the line I'm making, Nifty is already bouncing back from here. From Monday, it can go up to here, this support line, and maybe it can bounce back that point as well. But I made an early entry, okay, based on this bouncing phenomenon, okay. So, based on the bullish pattern, I have taken one position. What is that position? I will show you. There are some four positions. See, okay, four position I took it. Let me analyze this position. Okay. Uh, I don't want to show my current profit and loss. I have executed this on 25th actually. Mm, so if I wanted to show you analyzation, you can click on the analyze, so that Zerodha can give this what are the position analysis here. Okay. If you want to go for if you wanted to see it in Sensibull directly, you can open it here in the Sensibull. Sorry. Yeah, this is my position. Okay. So what I have done, from 25,850, I took one CE buy, and 25,100 and another CE buy, and I sell it also. This exact strategy is available in the strategy builder of Sensibull. What is the strategy? Bull Condor strategy. Okay. So this strategy I have considered it. So if you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can fast forward also. Okay. So the thing is that what I have explained, from here, this position, it should go up, right? So my break-even zones is 25,124, and here that 25,124. Yeah, you can see. As soon as Nifty stays in this area, whatever the green area you are seeing, I am getting a full profit, or based on the position also I'm getting a profit. You can see, if Nifty closed 25,280, then I'll be getting a 12,000 profit. Okay, let's not talk about profit now. Let's talk about the loss first. Okay, basically we should concentrate on the loss, then profit we should go for it. Okay, so as per my prediction, Nifty can go up as per the pattern, and if Nifty touches the 25,180 or 25,150 also, I will be in a profit. Okay, is there a possibility? Yeah, if Nifty comes to this the pattern, diagonal pattern, what you are seeing, uh, the parallel pattern is there, right? So you can keep the cursor here. What is the Nifty strike price here? 24,950. Yeah, 24,950 and 25,150. I made an early entry, right? So that's why it is showing little bit more break even zones. I considered around when I executed the order, it was showing only 25,000. Okay. So as soon as market comes to 25,000, I'll be in a profit. Okay. So my risk is only around 2,500 rupees when I have executed, but my reward was around 18,000 for me when I have executed the order on Friday. Since the market is closed, uh, uh, some of the Nifty strikes will be changed right here. Based on this data, it is showing up here. But if you can see here, yeah, this is my risk and reward. You can see. Okay, but you can see I have selected for the 2 weeks of option here. I have not selected for the next week expiry. It is not the 31st of July, but I have considered rather 7th of August. 7th of August. Okay, because Nifty may or may not go upwards in 1 week. Okay, maybe it will come here and it will consolidate and maybe come go up or come down. So that's why I took 2 weeks of time to reach this position. Okay, if it is my prediction is wrong, I'll be losing this much amount. Okay, but you won't be in a full loss unless until you carry this position. If you go to payoff table, you can see it here. For as per my analysis, if you draw a Fibonacci retracement, I will draw a Fibonacci retracement here. Nifty is already crossed uh, 0.786. Okay, but now I have to shift. We thought that for this wave there will be a connection, but it seems like the correction is more for the another wave as well. Yeah, for this position Nifty is at zero point 0.5, and for this position Nifty is at Nifty crossed 618 point. You can see it here. Okay, this position, these are the golden points. We are saying it in stock market. Okay, so 618 it is crossed and it is reaching to 786. Okay, 786. That's why maybe if it goes down again, I have to shift my Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so but as soon as it crosses 24,759 or 750, I'll be exiting my position, because if it crossed below, then I'll be 100% sure that Nifty will be targeting to next wave correction. Okay, so that's why as of now I have taken a correction position for this wave. If I want to show you, for this wave I have taken the position, but if it further goes down I will be exiting early. Okay, here maybe you can see it here, 100 points I will go. If Nifty goes to 24,500, I'll be in a loss of only 2,145 rupees. Okay, I'll be exiting directly because I don't wait for Nifty to come back. Maybe it will come back or come down. Okay, because below this point market is very weak. It seems like very weak. It may bounce back also from this position because I took 2 weeks of time as well. I can hold up to here 24,496 or 500 I will hold. If it further goes down, I will be exiting my position. Okay, this is what you need to analyze it and take some risk. If I lose it, I'll be losing only some portion of amount, because see 3,000 if you naked buy or naked sell also, there is a possibility that in a single trade also you can lose this money. So your risk is very low and reward is it's a 5x, right? Almost 5x. So yeah, this is my strategy I have discussed. If you wanted to know any other strategy, you can uh, comment out, so that I will be coming up with a new video or coming up with a clarification. Thank you.